Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system, the sync system in this Ford Focus. So from any screen, if you go into menu, you've got sync settings there, sync applications, sync settings, Bluetooth on. If you're having any trouble pairing, sorry, just make sure there's a tick in that box. But we want BT devices. Down to BT devices, select BT devices. Barry's iPhone, you've got add, delete and connect, add, delete, connect. So we want delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes there, no there, yes. Barry's iPhone deleted.